sneers. I'm waiting here and ready. So cut that out, crying fouls for pathetic.
Alright, subscribers, grab those pens, and let's get drawn. Tonight we're gonna draw gliscor. Yes! My favorite! Back when I was in West Hills Day Camp, gliscor was one of my favorite Pokemon. I don't know why, I just really liked him. He was one of my favorite out of Ash's Pokemon. He doesn't really look like a scorpion, even though his codename is the Fang Scorpion Pokemon. He looks more like a bat. He looks like a cool guy. Drawing gliscor should be easy. Alright, so we got the upper half finished. You know, it would be an awesome feature if this part of his body were to stretch. Here's his tail.
Energize and lift up our day. Life is like a tasty buffet. All your dreams are great with passion. Take me on, I'll put you to rest. Fights and foes, I'll rip up to shreds. I can't get more satisfaction.
Now we draw his giant claws. They're like lobsters.
Will all be blown away.
Here's his giant wingspan on his back.
Seems like the door is always locked, but we can be forever blocked. No need to fret, I'll break it yet, and there'll be nothing left but rock. Pull out a super limit break. You know it's all
And finished! There he is! That's how you draw gliscor. That was really fast. I finally got it done. You guys want to... If you guys are interested on which one of Ash's Pokemon is your favorite? If so, leave a comment below on which one that I should draw next. I'm proud you got to see me draw gliscor. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.